Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 6th class maths. This is the last chapter. It is understanding 3D and 2D shapes. What are these 3D shapes? What are these 2D shapes? First let us see 2D shapes which you know very well. What are 2D shapes? 2D shapes means two-dimensional shapes. Dimensions are two. So what are the dimensions? They may be length, breadth, height, depth. Length, breadth, height, depth means they have uh, only two as a combination, two dimensions only. All these together you don't have. If you have length, you may have breadth. If you have a side, you may have a height and a depth. For any side or for any shape, you can have a depth. But these are all only two dimensional. So when you take examples, triangles, squares, rectangles, so on we can take. This can be drawn directly on the board. So here you see triangles, squares, rectangle. I have drawn three figures. This triangle has got a side and a height. This is considered as a height. Height means altitude 90 degrees. I have already explained in your triangles and in your geometrical part. So here this is square. Square will have only four sides, and rectangle, it has got length, breadth. Okay, so we consider this as a triangle, this is a square, this is a rectangle. So these are the figures which you can give as an example for two-dimensional shapes. Now what are three-dimensional shapes? 3D shapes means three-dimensional shapes. What are the dimensions we'll be having? We'll be having length, breadth and height. So all these 3D dimensional shapes will have edges, faces and vertices. All these three you will be seeing how many faces are there, how many edges are there, how many vertices are there. You can understand with this. We have examples here: cube, cuboid, cone, etc. You can take about prism, pyramid, everything. So we are going to discuss about each and every three-dimensional shape now. Just as an introduction, you copy this, children. Now, let us talk about cuboid, children. What is cuboid? How will you draw the cuboid? So cuboid you can draw in this way. You can draw a rectangle like this, and within this, like this, another rectangle upon it, and just join the vertices. If you join these vertices, this is a figure of cuboid. Here you are having, this is called as length, and this is called as breadth, and this is called as height. So let me show you a shape of a cuboid. This is a cuboid, children. It has got length, it has got breadth, it has got height. So as we have discussed earlier, this cuboid has got faces. So how many number of faces are there? Number of faces. When you see I can take this outside one, this one as first face, this is second face, this is third face, this is fourth face. So for understanding, let me show you this. This is first face, this is second face, this is third face, and here it is fourth face. Apart from it, fifth face and sixth face. So the top one is considered as fifth face and bottom one is sixth face. So here it will be little bit confused because I have drawn it, and I cannot show you exactly what are those. So with the help of this you can understand. This is a cuboid shape. So that this cuboid shape has got six faces. How? This is first face, and this side is second face, this side is third face, back side is fourth face, and top portion is one face, fifth face, and bottom portion is one face, sixth face. So number of faces are 6. Next, number of edges. Edges means the sides. 1, 2, 3. So I'll write it with another color so that it will be clear to you. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. And this is 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number of edges are 12. So let me show you here. These are called edges. This is 1, 2, here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12. So altogether 12 edges are there. Apart from that, you have got vertices. Next, number of edges are 12. Then number of vertices. Number of vertices, say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what do you mean by the vertex? Vertex means what, children? Vertex means any two line segments, when they meet, you have vertex. You have done it in your writing about drawing about your angles and all. So two line segments, when they meet, they are vertices. Two or more than two. So here it is. This is one vertex, okay, and this is second vertex. This is third vertex. This is fourth vertex. Fifth vertex. Sixth vertex. This is seventh vertex, and this one is eighth vertex. So vertices are 8. So let me show you here so that you will have a clear picture of it. So see, vertex are these corners. Vertices. Vertices is the plural for vertex. V-E-R-T-E-X. Vertex means a single point. Vertices means all together. It's a plural form of vertex. So how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total altogether 8 vertices are there. So this is about cuboid, children. Now let me talk about second one, cube. So what is this cube? The difference between cuboid and cube is, in cuboid you have different lengths and different sides. Length and breadth are two different measurements. But here, the same figure you can draw with a square. If you draw this figure with a rectangle formation, you will be getting 2. I have shown how it has to be done. Same way, if you take the same sides and draw, see, one square and another square upon it, just join them. This is a cube. In all these are all sides. So each side is measured as A. This is A. This is A. A. A is the side. A is called as side of a square actually. So here also we will call them as A only. So this is one side. This is one side. This is one side. And this is one side. Okay, so this one top, this is one side. So these are all sides. So here, basing on this, what are number of faces? Let us see. Number of faces, as I have told there, this is first face, second face, third face, fourth face. This is fourth face. So 4, and the top one is fifth face and the bottom one is sixth face. So total, how many faces are there? Number of faces, just like that of the cuboid, 6 faces. So let me take it. So you can take as an example this structure, children. Here, length, breadth and height. We don't call no more, we call it as length, breadth and height. We will be calling it side 1, side 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges are there, just like that of a rectangle. Faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 faces are there. And vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. So these are same as that of the cuboid. Number of faces are 6. Already I have written. Number of faces are 6 and number of edges. Number of edges, total edges are 12 and number of vertices are 8. Here also I have forgotten to write, children, 8 vertices. So this is about cube and cuboid, children. If you copy, we will see about other three-dimensional pictures. Please note it down. Now let us talk about the third one, that is cylinder. What is the shape of cylinder? Cylinder shape is like this. This is considered as cylinder. So let me show you. So this is a cylindrical shape. And what does this cylinder has? The cylinder has 2 circular surfaces, one base and one top. So what you will write? It has got 2. It has 2 circular surfaces. 2 circular surfaces. This is one circular surface, this is 2 circular surface. And it has no edges. Means what, children? Edges means when you see here the edges are formed. But like this, you have no edges here. There are no edges. But what does it have? It has a curved surface. This surface is called as curved surface. It has a curved surface. This surface is called as curved surface, and this we call it as height of the cylinder. From here to here, this distance you can measure with the scale. So we consider this as height. This is height of the cylinder, and this part, let me draw this here. This part, that is the base. In the base, the center part, like this line from here to here. This is a circle, no? In the circle, when you take center and you draw a line, we call it as diameter. So this is considered as diameter. So this is about cylinder, children. A cylinder has two circular surfaces, one bottom and at one top. I can write it here, bottom and top. It has got two circular surfaces and it has no edges and it has a curved surface. That is about cylinder. After the cylinder, let us talk about a cone. A cone will be having a circular base and one vertex. It is like your birthday caps, children. So you have one vertex. We call this as vertex. And this is circular base. So it has a circular base and it has one vertex. And the remaining it has curved surface. The remaining surface is curved surface. And this is called as slant height. And inside it will be having a height. Inside the line is called height, perpendicular one, and from center if you draw this is a radius. So these are the various parts. So let me show you a small model I have made for this cone. I hope it is visible to you. I'll keep it upon it so that you can see properly. So this is a cone, children. In this it has got a circular base and this top one is called as a vertex. So this is a curved surface and I think you can see the red line that I have drawn. This is called as slant height. This line is called as slant height. And apart from it, internally, the height, right from the vertex to inside, if you draw perpendicular at the center of this circle, we call it as height. So height is different, slant height is different, children. In your higher classes, you are going to learn some problems basing on this. Just now, you should have the terminologies very clearly with you in 6th class. When you go to 7th class and other higher classes, you will be having certain sums to solve it. Only the thing that you should know is cone has got a circular base, it has got a single vertex and curved surface is there for this vertex, and it has got a slant height, it has got a height in the center and radius. These are the terminologies of cone. Apart from the cone, you have got, let us talk about the next one, that is sphere. This is 4th one and 5th one, sphere. What is a sphere, children? Sphere is nothing but your ball, the cricket that you will play. This is usually drawn like this. It has no edges. It has only curved surface. Only one curved surface. So from the center, if you draw this is considered as radius of this sphere. So a small model again. A sphere you all know. You know your ball. If I talk about ball, you can very well say that it is a ball. So this is a sphere, children. A sphere has got no edges. So from the center, that's from inside, if you draw a line, that is a radius. Okay. So this is about your sphere. Apart from the sphere, you have got the prism. 6th one, prism. What is a prism? So a small model, children. This is a prism. What does this prism contains? Prism contains two triangular surfaces. This is one triangle and this is another triangle. Apart from triangle, see the sides that it has got. These are parallelograms, you can say, or a rectangle. You have done parallelogram and rectangle. Rectangle means here I have got a rectangular shape. Parallelogram, slightly slanting lines you will be drawing. The main difference between a rectangle and a parallelogram is rectangle has got right angle. See, the edges will be right angle. In parallelogram, they are not right angles. One is acute, one is obtuse. So, two triangular surfaces. This is one and this is two. In here it is two and one, two, three. Three rectangular or parallelogram shaped sides. So it has got, how will you draw it? Usually this is one triangle and another triangle. If you join it, it is somewhat like this. So it has got two triangular bases. So this is one triangle and this is two triangle and parallelogram shaped. This is one, this is two, and the third one is on the other side. So I cannot show. So I'll write third one also is here. So what does? How can you say it? It has two triangular surfaces attached by, I can say, the two triangular surfaces, and it has three rectangular or parallelogram shaped faces. And how many vertices it has? It has, see, I can write vertices here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 vertices. It has 6 vertices. And it has how many faces it has got? See here, children. It has got how many faces? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. It has got 5 surfaces. It has 5 surfaces. So total how many edges even. Now seventh one is a pyramid, children. What is a pyramid? A pyramid will be having a rectangular or square or any other polygonal shape with a vertex, and all the vertices of this rectangle, they all join like this. This is a pyramid. A pyramid has a polygonal base. That means what, children? Sometimes it may be a triangular or it may be a square or it may be a rectangle etc. A pentagon, a hexagon, anything it can have. So like this, some base will be a polygonal, we will be saying, and from the vertex, it has only one vertex. It has only one vertex. So this is vertex. And apart from this, what does it have? Apart from this, it has triangular surfaces. So how many triangular surfaces are there, we cannot count, because it depends upon the base. If the base is in the form of a square, it has got 4 triangles. If it is a pentagon, it has 5 triangles, like that. According to the sides, the shape will be. It is just like a, actually what we talked about cone is like this vertex with a circle, children. Instead of this circle, if it has got a polygon starts with a triangle 3 sides, square or rectangle 4 sides, pentagon 5 sides, hexagon 6 sides. So like that, the number of sides will give you a shape, and it has got only vertex. With that, all the sides are joined, all the vertices of the sides are joined, then definitely what is that, a pyramid will be having a triangular surfaces. How many triangular surfaces it is having, we cannot count. So the number of triangles depends upon, I can write it here like this, number of triangular surfaces depends upon the shape of the base. You should understand this, children. Whatever is the shape of the base, accordingly it will be having the triangular surfaces. So I hope I am clear, children. With draw this and write down this. So you have 7 shapes, children. Remaining part I will be doing. Now let us see. Do this sums, children. They have given 7 objects here. What are they? Cell, ball, oil can, biscuit packet, coin, or marble, orange. These all you know. Now you need to write the shape of this. One they have given here. This cell is a cylindrical shape, and it will not slide. Sliding means just moving like this. Rolling also it will not do. Rolling also, see, if it is a cylinder, it rolls like this. This is called rolling process. Okay. Sliding means you can take this. See, it goes on like this. Edges wise it goes, it moves. So that is sliding. It won't slide. It won't roll. Slides only. Slides only means what? It will not roll. It will only slide. And here rolls only means it only rolls. It won't slide. But this is slide and roll. You can move it in this way, sliding way, rolling way. Any way you can move it. So this is slide and roll. Now let us see the ball. The shape of the ball is spherical. So sphere, the shape is sphere. I will write it in another pen, children, so that it will be answers are easy for you to understand. So ball is sphere. The shape is a sphere. So what is the sphere? It cannot slide, but it rolls. It cannot slide and roll. Next, oil can. Oil can will be in cuboid shape, children. In cuboid shape, only sliding will not do. Only rolling will not do, but it slides and rolls. Both the ways it goes. Biscuit packet. Biscuit packet also you can take it as cuboid. So the same thing you can write. And coin. Coin you can take, it is cylindrical in shape, children. Coin is a cylinder. When you take a coin, so I can take this as a coin. This is a coin. It has got one surface here, one surface here, so small thickness here. That small thickness will make it in the form of a cylindrical shape. Whatever small it is, but it is cylindrical and shape. And in this cylindrical shape, you have got slide only, roll only will not get slide and roll. Okay, next. Marble. Marble is sphere. Sphere will not slide, but it only rolls. It will not slide and roll. And orange, orange is also a sphere. It is also in the same way. So these are the sums of do this problem, children. Please note it down. I'm going to conclude my topic here. In the next class, I'll be doing the next part.